Some of the positive look behind and look ahead use cases that don't need to be zero with assertion can be replaced with \zs and \ze respectively. These will help you to set start and end of the match. So let's see a couple of examples. The portion that matches before \zs won't be part of the match. So this will feel very familiar to positive look behind. The difference is this only sets the location of the match. This is not a zero with assertion. So suppose this is your input line and you want to retain only the first character of each word. Rest of the characters you want to remove. So you can match the start of a word using word anchor, and this particular character you can exclude from the match by setting the start of the match. So portion that comes after this will be part of the matched portion, whereas this particular character will not be part of the match. So we have captured the first character of a word. So remaining characters we need to delete. So that will be some 0 or more word characters, as well as there could be non-word characters between words. So we can use uppercase W to remove that. We don't need anything in the replacement section because we want to delete these characters. And if we apply the G flag, all such occurrences will be replaced. So you can see the first character of the word is not part of the match. After that, we have 0 or more word characters and 0 or more non-word characters. So if we execute this substitute command, we'll get this secret. So let's undo that. So the same thing you can also implement using lookarounds or using captcha groups. So when you use look around, this initial word character will be positive look behind assertion. So these characters will be removed. In the captcha group case, we have the starting word character in this first captcha group, and remaining characters will be removed because in the replacement we are only back referencing the character that was captured. So in this way, you can either use captcha groups or lookarounds, or you can also use \zs to set the start of the match. So among these three, I prefer this because this is much easier to write. Next, let us see a similar example with setting the end of the match. So now the portion that comes after \ze won't be part of the match. So suppose you want to match eyes only if it is followed by a digit character. So eyes followed by a digit character. Only such matches are needed, and in such cases we need to replace only the eyes part with X. The digit part should not be replaced. So in such cases we can match eyes and then we can set the end of the match. So only these characters will be part of the match, and whatever comes after ZE will not be part of the match. But those characters have to be matched for this search pattern to succeed. So we need a digit character. In the replacement, we are replacing this match with X. Let's undo that. The same thing, you can use positive look ahead. So this particular digit character is part of the positive look ahead assertion, or you can capture the digit and put it in the replacement section. Again, if you see among these three options, this is much easier to write. Also, as per the help topics, you can use these multiple times. Only the last one encountered in a matching branch will be used.